Meaning of disapprovingly.
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 Disapprovingly. The term disapprovingly refers to an attitude or expression of disapproval towards something or someone. If someone looks or speaks disapprovingly, it means they have a negative view of what is being said or done. It can be shown through body language, facial expressions, or tone of voice. For example, if a parent says to their child, "I told you not to do that," with a stern face and tone, that would be considered speaking disapprovingly. It conveys a sense of disappointment or disapproval.